can we work on reversal of diabetes? You should be aware that you should not think that medication is the only answer. Namaste, I'm Dr. Vasudha Sharma, Medical Director of Vivekananda Health Global, where we integrate Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathic medicine in the management of lifestyle disorders. People might have a question, is diabetes reversed? Can we work on reversal of diabetes? The answer is yes, but there are a lot of other supportive factors or non-supportive elements which do contribute in the reversal process. So first of all, when we talk about reversal using Ayurveda, Yoga and acupuncture especially, we evaluate the patient and then based on the problems they come with, based on the severity of the condition, we then bring in the treatment protocol. But we also should be mindful that we are working with experts or diabetologists during this process of reversal, because as we work on Panchkarma therapies, yoga therapy, which has to be a very regular process, and use acupuncture in the management of stress, because acupuncture, the meridians is where they work on, and they work on balancing these meridians so that there's a better response or balance in the body. And these factors essentially play a role in ensuring that we first bring down the blood glucose levels and then slowly, if the person is on medication, work with the diabetologist to taper down the medication and eventually stop, provided it is possible. But you should be aware that you should not think that medication is the only answer, that you have to take oral diabetic pills once you are detected diabetes, and that is lifelong. It is not lifelong if you are ready to understand and manipulate the healing process in the body, use the best of the healing elements in your body, the strength your body has to heal itself, then you will be the winner. So remember that there are different methodologies, and especially a lot of it mentioned in our ancient literature, in our traditional sciences, which can help you in the management of diabetes. Whether you come with complications as well, once again you should understand and reach out to the right doctor so that you get the right intervention. Do not get carried away when it comes to just visiting somebody, not understanding how you can seek help. Because when it comes to healthcare, you have many people, whether they are doctors, non-doctors, there are many people who really have to be well educated to handle you, and this is where the medical practitioner is also going to play a very, very crucial role in enhancing your health, in ensuring that you are at right hands, you're always going to stay healthy and happy. And especially when you have diabetes, you should explore a lot of other options and not resort to just medication. Thank you. We'll see you again soon. Namaste.